Welcome to Udu's Organic DIY. In today's video, we are diving into the world of natural remedies and healthy cooking. If you have ever wondered how to make sesame oil at home, for hair or for cooking, you are in the right place. Stick around and let's create this liquid gold together. And so we start by cleaning and washing our sesame seed. These I've already done behind the camera. And next we go ahead to roast them. So I'll be transferring some of the seed into a frying pan. Take to the heat and roast them. Roast them on a medium heat and stir continuously so that they can be evenly roasted. And after roasting them for some time and they become golden brown, transfer into a tray and repeat the same process with the remaining ones. So I'll go ahead and add some of the seed to the frying pan once again. Roast them until they become golden brown. So I'll repeat the same process until I'm done roasting all of them. And here we have our sesame seed well roasted. Next we go ahead to blend them. So I'll be adding some of the seed to a blender and blend smoothly. Please ensure to blend the sesame seed so that they become very smooth and oily. Sesame seed produces more oil when it's blended very smooth. And after blending it for some time and you have gotten this consistency, transfer into a collecting bowl and repeat the same process for the remaining seed. As you can see, this came out smooth, and this is the consistency that we need to make our sesame seed oil. And now that our sesame seed is well blended, I'll transfer into a collecting bowl. Repeat the same process with the remaining ones. And now that we have the blended sesame seed ready, we go ahead to extract the oil from it. To do this, we'll be needing hot water. So I'll be adding the hot water gradually, then mix together. So as I add the hot water and mix together, it becomes sticking. So I'll continue to add the hot water bit by bit and mix together until it starts producing its oil. And here are some of the health benefits of sesame seed oil for hair and cooking. Sesame seed oil promotes hair growth as it is rich in vitamin E and B, along with fatty acid. It boosts blood circulation, which encourages hair growth. It prevents premature gray hair, as regular use of it helps darken hair growth. Sesame oil deeply nourishes the scalp, thereby deeply moisturizing the scalp, reducing dryness and flakiness of hair. It reduces hair fall and also soothes scalp irritation. This oil also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that helps combat scalp issues like itchiness and dandruff. And here you can see that the sesame seed has started producing its oil. I add more water to it, then stir together. I'm doing this to get all the oil out from it. And now some of the health benefits of using sesame seed oil for cooking. Sesame oil boosts digestive health. It is rich in nutrients because it contains healthy fats, vitamins, antioxidants, and promotes overall health. And now that it has produced its oil, we gently scoop the oil into a cooking pot. In doing this, you need to do it gently and patiently so that you'll be able to collect all the oil from it. Sesame oil enhances flavor in dishes, making it ideal for stir fries, dressing of salad, and marinades. It is also suitable for high heat cooking, such as frying. And after scooping the oil into the cooking pot, here we have the paste we got and also the oil. Next, I'll be taking the oil to the heat and begin to cook. So as I cook the oil, I'll be adding some little water to it so that it can be well cooked. This will make it to last longer at home. Cook until the oil stops sizzling and the foam disappears from the top. As you cook the oil, stir at interval. And after cooking the oil for some time and the foam disappears from the top, turn off the heat and allow it to cool completely. And here we have our sesame seed oil ready. Next, we'll be transferring it into a collecting container. To transfer into a collecting container, I'll be using a cheesecloth to separate its residue from it. This means our sesame oil will be coming out very pure, beautiful with no particles on it. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make sesame oil at home for hair and cooking. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Udu's Organic DIY for more amazing DIY recipes, natural remedies, and cooking tips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Until then, stay natural and stay healthy.